Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing the long-awaited MyHeritage DNA test results. So if you guys remember from a vlog that I uploaded quite a while ago now, I vlogged myself doing a DNA test, and basically what that is you take a sample of your DNA, you send it in, and it basically gives you your entire background. And I just got the email with the results. I have not opened it yet. I wanted to save it to film this video for you guys. I have the DNA test here, and I also have my mom, my dad's, my sister's, and my grandpa's. So I'm going to kind of give you the rundown of what they are so you guys can kind of get a better idea of where my family comes from. So without further ado, I'm going to click View DNA Results, and we are going to see what I am. If any of you guys are interested in doing this for yourself or for your family, you can go to myheritage.com and order your kit from there. This video is not sponsored. They did not pay me to make this video. My mom bought these kits for me and my sister, and we both did them all with our own money, and I figured this would just be kind of a cool video to share with you guys out there. Okay, so I just logged on to my little profile, so I'm just going to simply go down here and I'm going to hit View Results, and it should pop up on the screen. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it just popped up and I have 4 ethnicities. So the very first one is I am 55.6% North and West European. I am 29.8% Scandinavian, and I am 11.8% East European and 2.8% South Europe. So Iberian, Baltic, North and West European, Scandinavian. Oh my gosh, this is insane. So you guys know I always talked about how I am more than 50% German, and this pretty much confirms it. Okay, so here's an up-close view of what everything says. So it basically gives you all the percent. So North and West European, 55.6. Scandinavian is 29.8, and then East Europe 11.8, and South Europe 2.8. And then here is what the little map looks like down here. So here is the little map showing where everything is. So as you can see, the dark purple is what a majority of what I am. That's very interesting. So I had no idea I was all this other stuff. That is insane to me. So I'm not 100% sure what Scandinavian is. I don't really know what Baltic is or Iberian is, but it looks like Norway is circled, Sweden, Spain, Germany, and Latvia. I hope I'm saying that right. So if any of you guys have any idea what any of these other ones mean, I would absolutely love to know. Please share with me more of what I am, because I'm not super educated on like that part of the world, but I do think that's really, really cool that I'm mostly North and West European. That's very interesting. It's actually kind of crazy because me and my sister, which I am going to share their results with you guys as well, me and my sister are more German than my mom and dad. So that's very interesting because we always thought we got the German from my dad because we always thought he was more than half German. But me and my sister are more German out of anyone else in the family. Okay, so moving on, we're going to start with my grandpa. So my grandpa's results are 50.4% English and 49.6% North and West European. So that again is more of like the German, and then the other 50% is from the England, United Kingdom area. Alright, moving on to my mom. My mom is 97.1% English, 1.2% North African, 0.9% Nigerian, and 0.8% Italian. That is so crazy to me. Like, even though we're all family, it's crazy how different all of our results are. Like, I don't know, that just blows my mind. I kind of figured like we would all be very similar in sort of ways, but surprisingly not. Like, this is very interesting. Moving on to my dad. My dad is 43.8% North and West European. So again, that's like Germany, things like that, France, you know, all that good stuff. 28.2% Balkan, 17.3% Baltic, 8.8% Scandinavian, and 1.9% East European. So again, my dad has a lot of stuff, like I see Ukraine on here, Romania, Norway, Sweden, Germany, France. That's like all the stuff that's highlighted on the map. And of course, moving on to my sister is actually more German out of all of us. My sister is 63.7% North and West European. She is 22.4% Scandinavian, 11.1% English, and 2.8% Baltic. Yeah, so there it is, guys. I'm actually very impressed. That is very, very cool. I love seeing like all of my families and seeing what mine is and how all of ours kind of compare. I mean, I guess you can see how we all have kind of like similarities, but definitely if any of you guys are more educated on this kind of stuff, please give me more information about what my results are and what everything means. That would be awesome to know a little bit more about this, and I would love to dive deeper into this. I think that is absolutely amazing. Yeah, there you have it, guys. Those are my results. What do you guys think? Are any of you out there impressed? Did you think I was going to get something different? Please let me know down in the comments, and I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was actually really super cool to do. I would share like what my grandma's is and what my uncle's is and all that stuff, but unfortunately my grandma has passed away, so I don't have a very large family. So basically everything that I shared with you guys is basically everything that I know of that I am. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys.